Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import Adobe Illustrator files into Figma step by step. So this is helpful because you can move your existing designs into Figma without rebuilding everything from scratch. So first open up Figma and go to the file or page where you want to place your illustration design. Leave some empty space on the canvas so that the imported artwork is easy to find. Next, click the Actions button at the bottom, then choose Plugins and Widgets, and then search for Convertify plugin and open it. So inside the plugin, select the option to import from Adobe Illustrator to Figma and click Upload, and then choose your Illustrator file and open it. And then the plugin will convert the file and add the design to your Figma canvas. Larger or more detailed files may take a little longer to process, and once the import is finished, check the vectors, text, gradients, strokes, and images, and make sure any custom fonts used in Illustrator are also available in Figma. You can ungroup layers if needed and reorganize the design. And then your Illustrator file is now imported and ready to edit in Figma. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.